Absolutely, you should. Okay, and that's why center-based is not that good. That's why we do in-home treatment, and because they're going to be home most of the time, they need to be able to demonstrate the skills where they're going to, so that they learn at the center doesn't mean they're going to demonstrate at school, doesn't mean that, so for us, like, you have to work on generalization across the board. Okay, now generalization is just not only going to be achieved just because you work on it, your husband, any close family. It's a generalization is about this child being able to demonstrate their skills across a variety of people, a variety of stimuli, a variety of situations, and that the more situations that you can introduce in the teaching phase, the easier they can generalize across individuals.